Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shushmita. Wish you all a very happy Eid in advance. Today in my video, I'll give you a makeup tutorial on how I created this Eid special look. So let's go. Before going to the main makeup section, don't forget to apply any lip balm or Vaseline on your lips. Now for the main makeup part, I start with applying some foundation on my face. Here I am using Faces of Canada Go Chic foundation, which is in the shade of Beige 3. Now taking it a little amount in my hand and applying some dots all over my face. After that, take one makeup blender and blend it properly in whole face. Once the foundation is done, I'll go for concealer. I'm using here Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade of 40 Caramel, and I'm applying it wherever it is required. And again, using the same makeup blender, I'm blending it in my whole face. I'm choosing here Faces of Canada Go Chic Pressed Powder in the shade Beige 3 and applying it in face and neck. For the eyeshadow, I have chosen one orangey shade and applying it on the eyes. And after that, I'm choosing one dark brownish shade which I'm applying on the eyelids and mixing both the shades together. For highlighting the eyelids, I'm applying some glittery eyeshadow on it. Next for the eyebrows, I am using the Rock Nude eyeshadow palette by Maybelline, and from there I am choosing the dark brown shade and just filling up the blank spaces over there in order to give it a completeness. So making my eyebrows are done. Now I'll apply eyeliner. For that I have chosen this Wing in a Blink liner pen by Nykaa. Oh, sorry, my video has gone a bit hazy. Next, I'll work on my lower lash lines. At first, I have chosen that same dark brown shade eyeshadow and applying it in the lash line. And after that, I have chosen or taken Maybelline New York the Colossal Kajal and applying that in the corners of the lower lash line. In order to complete my eye makeup, I'll take Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara and will apply it both on the upper and lower lashes. It's the time for doing the lips. I'm first lining it with the Maybelline lip liner. And after that, I'm applying Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick by Sugar in the shade Drop Dead Red, number 10. It's time for applying some makeup fixer. I take it on the blender and tap it lightly on my whole face like it's shown in the video. Here comes the final look. I have chosen one flared kurta with a heavy jacket on it, and for the accessory I'm wearing one big mantika only. And that is it. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. If you really liked it, please do share and subscribe my channel. I'll be back again with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.